All right, guys, this is Adrian once again. This video, guys, I believe every marketer need more keywords for their business. When I say keywords, guys, because you only can think of so many keywords for your YouTube channel. We make videos. You only can think so many words for certain, so you want ideas. But this tool right here, guys, is totally free, and I want to share it with you guys. That you can also make videos uh, with these keywords, also, guys. So, for example, let's say, for example, you want type in online business, and you see the keywords that pop up. And then what you want to do is scroll down that, and you see how it's producing all the keywords, guys. And you're just gonna keep on going down and down and down, guys. So whatever business or whatever niche of business you are in, all you have to do is type that keyword right there and click that button below I just did, and you'll have a whole lot of keywords that you can use for your YouTube channel, or if you want to make videos around that keyword, guys. That's very important too. So you learn that topic of that keyword and you make a video. All right, guys, this is we call this the keyword shitter, guys. Keywordshitter.com, and it's free, guys. So all you gotta do is type your niche in and go down, and then you can stop the job right here too, guys. Just say stop, and it'll stop the job, and then you can just copy and paste the keywords and put it in a notepad and use the ones that's relevant for your business. And this is free, guys. It's called Keyword Shitter right here, guys. But if you want to know what I am doing, guys, this business, let me see where my business is at right here. Guys, it's totally free, guys. Become an associate for free. You can't beat that. Uh, the company, and it's not digital products either. It's real products, guys, that help run this, guys. Um, and I have videos to show you that on my page. If you go down and you click below and you join my team, you'll see a presentation on how you can definitely benefit from this business right here, guys. Um, because I also believe in this business like that. I understand what what hemp do for you guys. So it's very for nature methods that and I believe in nature, so I'm always gonna believe in nature medicine. Before the other medicine they give you out here. That's not nature. It's man-made. I'm leaving that. But anyway, guys, if you want to know what I'm doing, guys, that is a very powerful business, and they pay you before you spend any money. If you don't want to spend no money, you just want to promote this product, guys. You'll make a lot of money without even spending any money, guys. So that's why I like it also, because you got to make money. So people that don't have money to pay for marketing materials and stuff like that, um, and that's I understand that. Some people don't got extra $100 or $200 a week to pay for paid traffic. But another thing I like about this business, guys, that I already got 21 people in this business in less than a month. So uh, people I sign up, I only can have 3, and I can get 2 people in also, guys, because they fall under my matrix under you, and I already got 21 people in. So I definitely want you to check this business out. Uh, And I will talk to y'all in the next video. All right, guys. Have a blessed day.